Reinspection of values in a traceback. I am trying to do some elaborate reinspection of a traceback and get actual values from the objects that are failing to return more, better information along with the traceback. The case scenario is in a function that I import and execute that looks like this and gets executed like when the assertion error gets raised. If I try to evaluate the line where the exception is raised, I am, of course, unable to tell what A or B is. Name error gets raised immediately because I am lacking the context of the code. Do note that I do not have access to A or B as the code above is imported and then executed. Since foo does not live in the current namespace, my problem relies on getting the correct values from the foo context. What will be the right approach to be able to tell what A and B are so that Y can safely say something like A is true and B is false?
You can use inspect module. See this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.